Hello guys, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Magre-review tayo ng unit ni Sir Francis of Cavite. Sir, welcome to 5th Generation Hobby Shop. This is your unit, sir, the Glock 17 by Double Bell, code number 721. Okay, comes with the hard case. And also may kasama siyang airsoft BBs 0.23 grams at saka yung kanyang green gas number 14 green gas power up. Ito po yung kanyang hard case. Yan, code number 721 double bell Glock 17. This is Gen 3. So this is the hard case. Ayan. Then may kasama siyang loading nozzle, cleaning rod, at saka yung unit. Ayan. Ayan. Okay, may mga factory oil pa po. Brand new. Glock 17 721 by Double Bell. Okay. So may mga thread din po yun sa barrel na pwede mo siyang lagyan ng tracer unit, suppressor, other accessories. Pwede mo rin siyang lagyan ng flashlight kasi may Picatinny siya, Picatinny rail. Yan. So yan yung markings sa grip, mayroon siyang markings na Glock. Tapos sa slide naman, yan yung markings. Sa kabila, ayan. Gen 3 24 rounder capacity, double stock. Okay, again shout out kay Sir Francis Cavite, your unit, sir. So lagyan natin siya ng gas. Okay, so bali sa double bell po yung magazine niya. Pag magkakarga kayo ng gas, kailangan yung i-slide forward, backward yung backplate para ma-access mo yung valve. Pero compatible po siya sa WE magazine. No? This is the double bell magazine, compatible din po siya sa WE magazine. So para matanggal mo yung backplate or yung mag base pala, not backplate. Para matanggal mo yung mag base, ibaba mo lang yung spring, then push mo lang backward. Then dyan makikita mo yung inlet valve. Lagyan natin ng gas. Tatlo hanggang 5 segundo po. Okay. Then pagbabalik naman po, baba mo lang din ulit yung spring, pasok mo yung mag plate or yung mag base, then push mo lang para mag lock. Yan, para mag lock siya dyan. Okay, so ito may gas na to, indicator na may gas, matigas yung valve, outlet valve. Lagay tayo ng bala. Testingin natin kung ilang EPS. Okay. Ayan. Glock 17 Glock 17 Gen 3 by Double Bell. Okay, testing. Okay, Sir Francis, testing, chronograph testing. Tingnan natin kung ilang EPS po itong inyong unit. Glock 17 Gen 3 ng Double Bell. So bali ito pala, sir, yung loading nozzle, no? Yung extra loading nozzle, ito po yun. Ayan. Okay, so meron siyang extra. Okay, testing. Firing. 360.1. Malakas, ha. 14 kasi yung gamit nating gas, kaya malakas. 347.6. 335.5. Walang data. Okay, so yun po yung kanyang EPS. And then nag-open chamber siya. So pag 14 ang gamit nyo, sir, siguro 3 segundo lang. Malakas kasi itong 14 eh, kaysa sa 12. Okay, ito yung maganda din kasi malakas, 14. Okay, then open chamber na siya. Release mo lang magazine, press mo lang tong mag-release, tapos hatakin mo yung slide. Pag hinatak mo tong slide, pababa to yung slide stop kasi may spring yan. Then release. Okay, so shoot pa tayo. Lagyan ko lang siya ng bala pa. Okay, Sir Francis of Cavite, sir, your unit, block 17 by Double Bell. Testing. Firing. Okay, open chamber. Release magazine, ball back the slide, then hammer down. Okay, Sir Francis, okay na po ang inyong unit, 100% in good condition po. Again, this is the Glock 17 by Double Bell. Comes with the hard case, gas, saka yung bala. Okay, so kung may question, Sir Francis, message lang sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you, sir, and have a nice day.